Hello everybody and welcome back to my kitchen. Alright, what we're doing today, yum, is making tortillas. We are making tacos. So the whole point of this video is to actually just make the tortillas. Much like bagels, really hard to find any like tortillas. Just little taco tortillas. So figured make them myself. So here's what you need. There's 4 ingredients in these flour tortillas. So what goes into our tortillas is 2 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 3/4 of a cup of water, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. That's done. Simple, easy, quick. Okay, so the first thing we do, we're just gonna work with this shot, is throw in, half a teaspoon of salt, mix those together. And we then stir in our water and our olive oil. Then over to our floured surface. We're going to dump all of this out. And we are going to knead that a few times. Okay, so yeah, I hope I filmed some of that, don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna pop that back in its bowl and leave it to rest for 10 minutes. Here it is in its bowl. All right, our dough has rested a little bit and I'm just gonna push this around and we're gonna cut that up into little bits and roll them into circles with my trusty fondant rolling pin. Don't worry, I am eventually going to get a new rolling pin. Okay, I'm gonna start small, see how big I can make this guy. That's looking pretty good. That's kind of it's a bit of a big taco, but it's kind of the right size. Gosh, it's already gotten dark. Okay, so the next thing we do is take them over to the stove and cook them up in a greased pan. Let's get some heat going. All right, let's cook these up. Let's see what happens. So those are all done. Now I'm just gonna cook up my fillings and yeah, throw in whatever fillings you want. These are not very tortilla-y. They're pretty thick for tortillas. And I rolled them really thin, I think. I hope I did well. But they've come out more pita-y and less tortilla-y. Yeah, I'm gonna cook up my fillings and then I will try them out. So see you in a bit. Okay, so we're on my couch because I'm tired. Here's my taco. I've just got like some mince and some lettuce and some pineapple in there because I enjoy pineapple, and some sour cream. Obviously you put whatever the heck you want on your taco. Let's give it a shot, shall we? I wasn't too sure about those, but they're actually great. Like, those are fantastic little tortillas. So fast. 4 ingredient tortillas. Super easy, keeping it simple on this channel. I have something in my teeth, guys. I don't know, I hope it's gone. If you get that reference, you're great. That is that simple, easy tortilla recipe. So if you like this video, leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of it down in the comment section below. If you would like to support me and this channel, then please subscribe. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.